Futian Roller was founded in 2006 and we focus on the manufacturing of precision conveyor rollers, including gravity conveyor roller, grooved conveyor roller, O-belt conveyor roller, poly-vee conveyor roller, timing belt conveyor roller, sprocket conveyor roller, accumulating roller, drum motor, etc. As the key parts of material handling system, rollers are widely used in mining, e-commerce, food distribution, pharmacy, tobacco, clothing, express delivery, logistics and distribution, manufacturing, rubber and airport industries and other industries.